Here on my 1999 Toyota 4Runner, I'm going to be replacing this rear window switch. So the switch works fine, however you'll notice that one of the clips is broken off. So you have this clip here, with the back one busted off. So I went on eBay and ordered another one. As you can see here, it has both clips. So simply just lift the old one out. This procedure is the same for 1996 to 2002. However, I believe the wiring harnesses are different, so take note of that. They won't plug into each other. Go ahead and unplug this. Just push down on the tab and wiggle that out of there. Take your new one, push down on the tab, wiggle that out of there, and go ahead and connect it. It'll only fit one way. Can't go that way. And let's test it, make sure it works. Let's go ahead and clip this back into place. So start at the back, just push it this way, all the way backwards. Push down. That's locked into place and it's not going to rattle anymore.